See, you never put any voice or anything to your videos. You just walk around.
I know. But
Remember, while you're down there getting your turtle muddy, that you're having fun while you do it.
don't let anyone take it away from you.
Words of wisdom. There was a guy on the other side of the lake. A guy on the other side of the lake. And he yelled out. The one guy yelled out to the one guy, said, "Hey, how do I get to the other side of the lake?" He said, "You're already on the other side of the lake." Words of wisdom from Mr. Gilbert. What do you call himself? Slippy? Tell him Slippy's here?
That's what it... I'm pretty sure.
Tell him Slippy's here. Slippy is his old cat. Let me see a peacock.
I don't think so.
I want to be a motivation.
That's not happening. It is not going to happen.
You're going to get in this bed right now.
No.
If this thing is upside down, there's no way he ran it before he gave it to him.
It's impossible to have ran it before he gave it to him.
Okay, this is too small.
Then use the one that I said was the right one.
Let me see it.
It's right there.
Prove it. Where's the snow?
There's no snow.
There is no snow. Oh shit, leave.
It's empty anyway. It doesn't matter. Damn monster can, son of a bitch. What? I don't know. Maybe you should work on that.
You need to talk to your friends. Be like, I know something y'all don't know.
I've gotten so many messages on there from people like, "You guys are great." And I'll reply just, "Thanks. Stay tuned for more." And
you never post more. Why don't you post more?
because you never ride with me anymore.
I don't like babies. Oh crap, Mike.
Why is the gas cap like the whole way over there? Should
Hey, put this bike in neutral.
Yes, sir.
You can call me lazy. Call me brown.
But I was born alive.
'Cause I was born in a diaper. Albatross.
Yeah.
Because. Yeah, I want you to give a little tummy pooski on that.
Where?
Tug on that.
Tug on the ratchet?
Evenly.
Wait.
Hold it right there. Don't move. Don't. Do it.
Ah!
Holy fuck.
Oh, go away! Go away!
Better run. Okay, that was not first gear. Oh shit. Oh shit. Mama bears and changes in the building, nigga.
Ah!
Pump that.
It's
Give it.
What?
Give it a little tuckarooski. Are you gonna do anything?